What are we doing, John?
We're scouting for a project we're working on about Catherine Cookson.
Get it wide from down there.
I get it wide down there. More towards us, Phil?
Even shoot through these trees as she's walking along.
Yeah.
It's a film about Catherine Cookson, and she returns to South Shields in modern day.
Dude, looks like a lady. Breathe in it. Clean that. Fella.
Action, Catherine.
Action, Catherine. This is Catherine looking in Jarrow Hall, window option 1. So maybe like would have like a slow push in maybe on her as she's looking.
It's a short film we're producing for The Word, which is a library/museum in South Shields.
We're in The Word in South Shields. This is where the film is going to be shown. This is the cultural hub of South Shields. Am I right, lads?
The scope started as just being like kind of factual about Catherine.
We're researching, well, like turned up a lot more interesting kind of opportunity for story, didn't it, than we initially thought.
And she kind of relives some of our sort of past in some regard. She visits all these different places that she was once from, was once part of our life, and it draws upon parallels between then and now and how things have changed, but how they haven't, how certain themes kind of still remain the same. We've injected some drama in there and try to tell a story as well as trying to be factual around our life.
Welcome.
Hello there.
This is Unified Media blog episode something. Can't remember the number. We're here in where we're Tom?
We're at St Paul's, the monastery of St Paul's in Jarrow, and it was here that Catherine Cookson spent a great deal of her life, looking towards to my left to Jarrow Hall and to right down to where she did live, which is now the Bede Trading Estate, and she was born in Tynedock itself. Catherine's come back. She's come back to South Tyneside in 2018, and Unified Media have been following her actions all day.
Fantastic, Tom. Tom smashes it yet again. There she. In fact, there's the wild Catherine now, Tom. She's over there.
No, yeah,
there she is. A wild Catherine appears.
As if by magic.
As if by magic.
Here she is, smiling.
Let's have a jump cut to wild Catherine. It's Kerry. It's Kerry Brown. You've been a large pleasure. You've been a large pleasure. You've been a big pleasure. A sizable pleasure. Yeah. Are you having a nice time?
Yes, I am. Just been exploring South Shields, Catherine's birthplace, and luckily we've got some good weather for it today. So.
Oh yeah.
It's been gorgeous.
Right, right there, if you want to start walking and I'll catch up with you.
What was for you the most enjoyable part of the process?
Being on set and filming. It's the production side. You know, it was gorgeous weather. Working with different people. There's a team of you together, and you kind of all coming together to do this. You know, to work on the same thing, and you're all getting behind it, and it's good fun.
Work with a good team of passionate creative people. The vibe was really just fun and just let's play and just get this thing done. Do you know what I mean? But be serious about it, but not too serious. Okay, same again. And is that a car behind us?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. And that's a wrap for Kerry Brown.
Hey.